Hello everyone. Before watching the assembly process of the engine, gearbox and Honda CR-V, let's update the latest news from the Honda factory. Honda's achievements related to environmental sustainability and energy efficiency as of January 10, 2024. Here are the key points. Energy Star certification. All Honda U.S. and Canada auto plant locations have earned the 2023 U.S. Environmental Protection Agency Energy Star certificate for outstanding energy efficiency. This is part of Honda's commitment to the triple action to zero approach, including the global goal of achieving carbon neutrality for all products and corporate activities by 2050. Leadership in Energy Star certification. Honda has been a leader in Energy Star certification since the EPA began awarding the distinction to industrial plants in 2006. Various U.S. mass production manufacturing plants, including those building vehicles, engines, and transmissions, received Energy Star certification for 2023. Environmental goals. Triple action to zero. Honda is working toward its global goal of zero environmental impact by 2050 through its triple action to zero approach. This approach includes achieving carbon neutrality for all products and corporate activities, 100% utilization of renewable energy, and resource circulation with 100% sustainable materials. Green factory initiatives. Honda is addressing the environmental impacts of product manufacturing through its green factory initiatives, focusing on water use, energy use, waste, and emissions. Per vehicle CO2 emissions from auto production have been reduced by 39% over the last 10 years. The company has achieved near zero waste to landfill, reducing waste to landfills by 90% since 2001. Renewable energy offsetting. Honda is offsetting CO2 emissions from its North American manufacturing operations through long-term virtual power purchase agreements for renewable wind and solar power, aiming to cover more than 60% of the electricity Honda uses in North America. Support facilities certification. 2 Honda support facilities, the Ohio Data Center and the North American Quality Center, also earned 2023 Energy Star certification. These certifications are awarded to facilities in the top 25th percentile of all plants in the nation with regard to energy performance. Background on Honda manufacturing in North America. Honda has been producing automobiles in North America for over 40 years, starting in November 1982 at the Marysville Auto Plant. The company steadily grew local production capabilities and now employs more than 33,000 associates in North America, supporting manufacturing operations at Honda's 18 plants. Investment in North American manufacturing. Cumulatively, Honda has invested more than $24 billion in its North American manufacturing capabilities, with over $4.7 billion invested in the past 5 years alone. The company works with over 700 original equipment suppliers in North America, with cumulative parts purchases of more than $562 billion. New progress at East Liberty Factory, started mass production of Honda CR-V Hybrid 2023. Employees at Honda's East Liberty Automobile Plant, ELP, eagerly welcomed the start of mass production of the latest Honda CR-V Hybrid, marking an important step forward in Honda's electrification journey. The event follows the launch of the petrol CR-V model on October 26, marking electrochemical advancement for CR-V. CR-V Hybrid, launched at Honda of Canada Mfg. HCM, in October, using a new hybrid system with 2 motors produced at Honda's Transmission Plant Ohio, TMPO, and an Atkinson cycle engine renewed specifically for the model. Hybrid at the Anna Engine Plant, AEP, in Ohio. This is a key step in Honda's electrification strategy, as approximately 50% of CR-V sales in the United States, starting with the 2023 model, will use the innovative 2-motor hybrid electric system. Effective collaboration. East Liberty Plant, ELP, joins HCM and Indiana Automobile Plant, IAP, in producing the new CR-V hybrid model, and each plant has worked closely with AEP and TMPO, the unit responsible for the new powertrain. The 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine produced at AEP is Honda's first engine to combine both high-pressure direct injection and multi-stage fuel injection, creating an extremely homogeneous mixture. Provides clean combustion. Innovation in electric hybrid systems. The two-motor electric hybrid system produced at TMPO features a new arrangement, moving from overlapping same-size motors to a parallel shaft system with different size motors installed. Place on the same side. Honda's overall contribution in North America. Advances in CR-V hybrid production are a testament to Honda's investment and commitment in North America. During more than 40 years of producing cars here, Honda has continuously expanded its local production capabilities. Currently, Honda has more than 30,000 employees at 18 factories, with the ability to produce millions of cars and engines annually. In total, Honda has invested nearly $24.6 billion in its manufacturing capabilities in North America, including more than $3.6 billion in the past 5 years alone. At the same time, Honda cooperates closely with nearly 800 original equipment suppliers in North America, with a total spare parts procurement value of more than $535 billion United States dollars. Honda of Canada Mfg. HCM has officially begun the mass production of the 6th-generation Honda CR-V, marking an important step in the history of the best-selling car in America over the past 25 years. HCM is not only the global leader in CR-V production, but is also where the model has been manufactured in Canada since 2012. In the coming days, production of the new CR-V will continue at Indiana Auto Plant, IAP, and East Liberty Auto Plant, ELP, in Ohio. New direction for Honda's CR-V. The latest Honda CR-V not only brings uniqueness with its strong design but also enhanced performance and features. In particular, the CR-V hybrid model will begin production in Canada next month, with IAP and ELP also participating in the production of the hybrid model, representing approximately 50% of CR-V sales. Contribution of Honda Canada Mfg. HCMC. Clement D'Souza, Senior Vice President of HCM, proudly shared, becoming the global factory leader for the 2023 Honda CR-V is a big challenge, and I am proud of the experienced team at Honda of Canada Manufacturing and the high level of teamwork within the North American region to create this great new product for our customers. Combining technology and enthusiasm. The HCM factory is not only a production site, but also a testing location and implementation of many improvements in the production process. The perfect body fixture model is applied here to achieve optimal accuracy and finish quickly through a data-driven process. This enhances flexibility and quickly applies remediation on the main assembly line. Challenge and increased motivation. Honda faced the challenge of designing the new CR-V with the largest high-top structure in product history. The production engineering team worked closely with the development team to increase rigidity by increasing the thickness of the steel plate and adjusting the cover frame design so that it can be processed through punching and welding parts. The result is a tall lid that offers a strong and sophisticated design. Enhanced quality and performance. The new CR-V model also places emphasis on the use of high-quality structural adhesives to increase body rigidity and applies acoustic foam to the body structure to enhance cabin quietness. Although these materials have been applied previously at the Indiana and East Liberty plants to other Honda models, this is the first time Line 2 in HCM has applied these processes, which require additional equipment. Equipment and training for employees. The result is that the new CR-V has enhanced dynamic stiffness and smoothness of ride. International cooperation and application of digital technology. Amid travel restrictions due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the original model building for the CR-V was transferred from the development team in Japan to HCM. Collaboration between teams in North America and Japan through digital tools has led to important changes in design and manufacturing processes, enhancing the ability to produce high-quality crossing Vs. Honda manufacturing in North America contribution. Honda has a 40-year history of automobile manufacturing in North America, starting in November 1982 at the Marysville Auto Plant. With 18 factories and more than 30,000 employees, Honda is capable of producing 1.86 million cars per year, along with millions of engines and other technology products. For Honda, producing the 2023 CR-V is not just about assembling a car, but about creating a masterpiece of class and enthusiasm from all stages of production.